Meaning of game preserve.
Game preserve.
Game preserve.
Game preserve.
Game preserve. A game preserve is an area of land set aside for the protection and conservation of wildlife, usually for hunting or other recreational purposes. These areas may be privately owned or managed by government agencies. The goal of a game preserve is to protect and maintain a healthy population of game animals, such as deer, elk, and waterfowl. This can involve regulations on hunting, habitat management, and predator control. In addition to preserving the natural environment and wildlife populations, game preserves can also generate revenue through hunting permits and tourism.